Morning. So till which question we have done? We have done till question number 25. We have done till question 25.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have done till question 25.
Okay. Question 27. 26 we will do when we study the chapter percentage.
Okay, sir.
So it is a very simple question. Now because we have not studied the chapter percentage, that is why we are not doing it right now. Profit and
Okay,
loss,
sir.
percentage, all these chapters we have not done. So although we can do it right now also, but it will be very easy once you study the chapters percentage and profit and loss. So that is why we are leaving it right now. Question 27.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Now 27 is the length of a rectangular field is twice its breadth if the perimeter of the field is 150 meters. Length of a field is twice its breadth.
Sir, today only 6 students will study.
Let them let the breadth be x. So there is a rectangular field. A rectangular field is there. The length, it is given that the length is twice of the breadth of the field. So let the breadth be x. So what we can say about the length now? So the length
2x.
is equal to, yeah, very good. So the length is equal to 2x because it is twice of breadth. Now the perimeter of the rectangle is also given. It is 150 meters. The perimeter is given 150 meters. You have to find the length and breadth of the rectangle. So we know the formula of perimeter is 2l plus b. This is the formula of perimeter of a rectangle, 2l plus b. Put the values. Perimeter is 150. What is the length? Length is
2x plus 2x plus x.
length is 2x and breadth is x. Now 150 is equal to 2 into
6x.
3x. 3x. 2 into 3x is equal to 6x.
6. 6. 6x.
X is equals to 150 upon 6. That means x is equals to 25 meter.
25x.
25 meter. So this means that the breadth is equals to 25. And what is the length? Length is equals to 2 into 25. That is 50 meter is the length. 50 meter is the length and 25 meter is the breadth.
Sir, written.
Sorry?
Why length is equal to 2 multiplied by 25?
Better length is 2x.
Done.
What is the length? It is 2x. put the value of x here. 2 into 25, 50 meter. Got it? Let's do the next one. Question number 28. In question number 28, there is a triangle. There is an isosceles triangle in question 28. Two sides of a triangle are 5 meters less than side. Keep your mics off a little.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, welcome. 10 मिनट हो चुके हैं बेटा. Rishika, keep your mic off. Aryan and Natik, you also keep your mic off.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now question 28. Two equal sides of a triangle are 5 meters less than twice the third side. If the perimeter of the triangle is 55 meters, find the length of its sides. So there is a triangle. You have to make this figure. There are two sides which are equal. In this triangle, two sides are equal. And it is given that these two sides are 5 meters less than twice the third side. So first of all, let the third side be x. If the third side, this side is x. So these two sides which are equal, they are 5 meters less twice the third side. First of all, twice the third side का meaning क्या हुआ? 2x. And 5 less than twice the third side का meaning होगा
-5.
2x minus 5. 5 less than twice the third side. Twice of the third side 2x, and 5 less than twice the third side is 2x minus 5. So these
So we have to draw this diagram.
yes, these two sides which are equal, they are 2x minus 5 meters each. Draw the figure. So first of all, let third side
So diagram.
be
Sir, we have to write also 2x minus 5.
yes. Let the third side be x. Length
Sir, on the other side, there is also 2 minus 5.
each of the yes.
So 2x minus 5.
It is 2x minus 5 both the sides. So the length of each of the equal sides is equal to 2x minus 5. This is the length of the equal sides. Both are 2x minus 5. Now the perimeter of the triangle is given 55 meters. Again the perimeter is given. It is 55 meters. And you know the formula of perimeter of a triangle. Perimeter of a triangle.
5 is
Sum of all sides. The height of Aryan Patel. Perimeter is equal to sum of all sides. So we use this formula. 55 is equal to, now what will be the sum of all the three sides of the triangle? X, this is your first side, x
Yes, sir.
plus 2x minus 5 plus 2x minus,
2x minus 5.
adding all the three sides, you get the perimeter. So 55 is equal to x plus 2x minus 5 plus 2x minus 5. 55 is equal to 5x.
2x minus 10.
So 55 plus 10 is 65 equals to 5x.
65.
X is equal to 13.
30.
13 meters.
X.
This is the length of side BC in the figure. So you have got the length of the side BC, which is equal to 13 meters. Negative x. Length of the side AB, it is 2x minus 5. So put the value of x here. You get this 21 meters.
21.
And the side AC is equal to AB, so it is also
30
21.
meter.
Again 21 meters.
Okay, sir. Understand.
Sir, done.
Okay.
This is question number 27 or 28?
28. Now question number 29. Have you all done this?
Yes, sir.
Sir, please do not upset. Sir, this portion BC.
Question 29. Do you all know what are complementary angles?
So who is 90 degree?
When the sum of two angles is 90 degrees, we say that the two angles are complementary.
The sum of two angles are 90 degree.
Yes. So the angles whose sum is 90, they are known as complementary angles. अच्छा, if I ask you that there are two complementary angles, जिसमें से first वाला angle is 30, what is the value of the second one?
The 60. The 60.
Correct answer. How do you calculate it?
Sir, 90 minus 30.
Very good. So two angles are complementary. If the first one is 30, how will you find the second one? You will subtract 90.
So one complementary angle be x.
90 minus 50. So that means it is 60. So let us assume that the two angles are x and 90 minus x. Make the first angle be x and the second angle be 90 minus x.
90 minus x.
So these are the two
So
angles.
we have to find both the angles.
You have to find both the angles. Now it is given that the difference of these two angles, ये दोनों angles जो दिए हैं, इन दोनों का difference आपको 8 दिया हुआ है. That means first angle minus second angle, difference of the two angles is given equal to 8. Very simple equation. Difference of the two angles is 8. That means 8x minus 90
Minus 90 plus x.
8x plus x is 2x. 8 plus 90
90 plus 98. 98.
plus 98. X equals
49. X value.
first angle is 49.
Sir, 41 degree. Next angle. 41 degree.
Second angle is
41.
41 degree.
x, therefore 41 degrees. This is your second angle.
Okay, sir.
Have you all understood?
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay. What is the meaning of supplementary angles?
Well, I
So,
don't
so,
understand.
sir, sum of three angles is 180.
3 नहीं बेटा 2 2.
Yes,
When
sir,
the
2,
sum-
180.
When the sum of two angles
The
is
angles which sum is 180.
when the sum of two angles is 180 degrees, then the angles are known as supplementary angles. Okay. So do question number 30 right now. All of you on your own. Try it on your own.
Sir, please explain me this question.
Which?
Beta, there are two complementary angles.
Yes, sir.
Complementary angles का मतलब होता है angles जिनका sum 90 degrees होता है.
Yes, sir.
If the first angle is x, the second angle will be 90 minus x.
Sir, how is it?
बेटा मैंने बताया था आप कहाँ थे, कौन है ये?
Sir, there is network issue.
If the first angle is x, the second will be 90 minus x. कैसे निकालेंगे आप? जैसे कि दो angles हैं, दोनों का sum 90 है. कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स, अगर मैंने आपको बताया फर्स्ट एंगल इज 30 degrees, हाउ विल यू फाइंड द सेकंड वन? यू विल सबट्रैक्ट 30 फ्रॉम 90, 90 माइनस 30 करोगे 60 डिग्री आ जाएगा सेकंड वाला एंगल।
Yes, sir. Okay,
वही
sir.
मैंने यहाँ पर भी करा है। फर्स्ट एंगल इज x, so the second will be 90 minus x. This is your second angle. Now it is given that the difference of the two angles, difference, this is given in the question, that the difference of these two angles is 8. Difference is given equal to 8. So with the help of this equation, we have found both the angles. Same concept
sir.
we will use for question number 30. Try it.
Okay.
Sir, done. Sir, done.
Very good.
Sir, done.
Very good. Tell me the answers.
Sir, first angle is 67
Sir, done.
degree.
Tell me
Sir,
the
can I tell?
yes.
Sir, first angle is 63 degree and second angle is 23 degree.
नहीं बेटा, wrong answers. Anyone else?
Yes, sir.
Well,
So please wait. Sir, so first angle is 112 and second angle is 68.
very good. Correct answers.
Will be 72.
No, 68.
First angle is 112 and the second angle is 68. Correct.
68. Thank you, sir. So we will do next 31.
I will explain the 30th first.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I done 31.
Sir, what is the meaning of supplementary?
Angles जिनका sum 180
A sum of 180 degree.
the sum of two angles is 180 and the two angles are known as supplementary angles.
So sound is coming from anyone's house, sir. Said and teacher is teaching anyone.
Beta, keep your mics off.
It is coming from Natik girl.
Natigar, keep your mic off.
The Natik girl is not in the class.
Okay, next question.
Sir, 31. Yeah, 30.
3030. Some of you have got
Okay, sir.
wrong answers. That is why I will have to do it. So in this question, you will assume that the first angle is 30. Sorry, x. Let the first angle be x. No. The second angle,
180 minus x.
correct, 180 minus x. This is your second angle. 180 minus x. Now, the difference of the two angles is given 44. X, first angle,
Is
minus
equal to 44.
first
X
angle,
minus 180 minus X is equal to 44.
yes, first angle minus second angle equals to 44. This is given in the question. So
So
x
2x minus 180.
equals to 44. 2x equals to 44 plus 180. 2x is equals
2X is equal to 224.
to 4. That means x is equals
X
to
is equal to 112.
112 degrees. So this is your first angle.
First 112 and second angle is
Minus
168.
80 is
68.
equal to 68.
Yes. Second angle
68.
is equal to
180 minus 112.
50 minus x.
The 180 minus 112.
180 minus 112, 68 degrees.
8.
This is your second angle. Note down, please.
Okay, sir.
Those who have not done, they can note down. Or they have done some mistake.
Sir, I have done.
Sir, done.
Okay, very good.
The class will over at 11:20.
11:25.
11:25.
Okay.
Okay. Now,
Sir, now we will do question.
31. Question number 31. In an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal and the vertex angle is twice of each of the base angle. Find the measure of the angles of the triangle. Very simple question. So here is a triangle, isosceles triangle again. Again isosceles triangle. So you have to draw the figure. ABC is your isosceles triangle. Here two angles are equal. So angle
There is a network issue, sir.
angle
Sir,
B,
your video is not coming.
because that is a network issue at your end. Network problem at your
Yes,
end.
sir.
Please
Yes,
solve
sir.
the problem. Look for a place where the network is good. Okay. So angle in this triangle ABC, angle B and angle C are known as the base angles. These are your base angles. And base angles of an isosceles triangle are always equal to each other. Base angles are always equal to each other. And in this case, this angle is known as vertex angle. The angle at the top. In an isosceles triangle, the angle at the top is known as vertex angle.
Vertical X.
Let us assume that the base angles are x and x each because they both are equal. We can assume that both the angles are x. And the vertex angle, this is given that the vertex angle is twice of the base angle, that is, it is equal to 2x. Base angle is, sorry, vertex angle is twice of the base angle.
2x.
2x हो गया. And now you have to find all the three angles of the triangle. So first of
Okay,
all,
sir.
let each
The base angle be x.
base angles be x.
X plus x.
Let each of the base angles be x. Now what?
So the vertex angle be 2x.
Sir, there is a network issue with me, sir. So I can leave the meeting.
Beta, you can remain there in the meeting and then you can watch the video later. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You can also watch the recording. So
So may I write my present?
vertex angle is equal to 2x. Now we know that in a triangle, any type of triangle, whether it is isosceles or it is equilateral or Stevian triangle, in all types of triangles, the sum of all the angles is always equal to 180 degrees. ये formula आपने पहले पढ़ा हुआ है. Sum of all the angles of a triangle is
Yes,
180.
sir.
So just writing this property is known as angle sum property of a triangle. What is the name of the property? Angle sum property of a triangle. Sum
और ये हमने 14 चैप्टर में पढ़ा
Angles
था.
and probability of a triangle.
of all angles
Agreement. Please send me the question number 31 because there is a network issue.
he will send you afterwards. Now everyone keep your mic.
What is the name of
Sum of all angles equals to 180. So let us add all the angles. X plus 2x. Adding all the three angles is equal to 180 degrees. So 4x is equals to 180. This means x is equals to 45 degrees. So this is the value of x. Now you can find all the three angles. First,
45?
is equals to x, which is equals to 45. Angle C is also equals to x, which is equals to again 45 degrees. What about angle A? Angle A is equals to 2x. Therefore,
45 into 2.
45. So you get angle A equals to 90 degrees.
60 degree, 90 degree.
Angle A equals to 90 degrees. Please note down all of it. Note down the question.
Sir, note it down.
Note down.
question. Sir, please explain this question again.
Where were you? नैतिक गर्ग, where were
Yes,
you?
sir.
कहाँ गए थे?
Sir, it was network issue.
बेटा, do one thing now. I think if I start explaining now, I will not be able to complete it. Complete नहीं हो पाएगा. So
Okay, sir.
what you do, you can watch the recorded video. I send the YouTube videos on the groups. After,
Okay.
after the class, I send them.
Okay.
Okay. So you can watch the video and there you can see it.
Okay, sir.
You can watch the video after 30 minutes. So have you all done this in the copies?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay, so now we are ending the meeting. Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Okay.
Bye, sir.